Florida felons must pay all fines before they can vote. That's what a federal appeals court ruled today. That ruling going to impact about 774,000 voters, and that is according to the AP. To show you how significant that can be, Florida went to Donald Trump in 2016 by 113,000 votes, and it's expected to be a close race this November too. Of course, the solution is to pay the fine so that you can vote. But as 10 Tampa Bay's Madison Allworth explains, it's not easy to tell who has paid, who hasn't, and what the punishment is if you do vote with outstanding fines.
What happened today was a slap in the face to our democracy.
Another turn today in the efforts to return voting rights to felons.
This court today said, yeah, you can have that right to vote back, but only if you can afford it.
And being able to tell if someone has paid off all of their fines is not easy. There is no central system.
Even at trial, it was shown that the state couldn't figure out how much the 17 plaintiffs owed. So if they can't figure out how much 17 people owe, how are they supposed to figure out how much the over 1 million returning citizens in Florida owe?
Keeping felons like Clifford Tyson, who was also a plaintiff in the case, questioning if they are okay to vote.
So can I vote? Possibly. I want to vote, but I don't want to break any laws.
Felons and returning citizens who are unsure of whether or not their fines have been completely paid, what happens to them if they do end up voting?
We don't know. And that's one of the problems with today's ruling. Confusion about voter eligibility has the effect of discouraging people from participating in our democracy.
Clifford, who completed his sentence in 1983, is hoping to hold on to his right to vote.
Are you ready to keep fighting?
Oh, I'm going to keep fighting. I'm in this to the very end, to the day God calls me home. And then some, my children will take over.
By the way, the ruling says it is not the state's responsibility to come up with a way to let felons know how much they owe. That burden is on the person.